Look at it.
I have received Broas or Ladyfingers ng Christmas party. Kailangan na natin ng intervention kasi hindi siya nakakain. So for today, we're doing tiramisu, low budget edition without mascarpone. So it means, pick me up. Sa mas na chilled yung ating all-purpose cream and sinabay ko na rin yung condensed milk para mag-increase siya in volume and mag-expand. So, kailangan nating i-beat para mag-incorporate ng air. So, yun yung proseso niya. And then, after that, yung lady's finger is-soak natin sa coffee. Mabilis lang. So, dito medyo matapang yung kapeng ginamit ko para ramdam na ramdam. Yung kaya kang ipaglaban. And then, i-assemble lang natin siya dun sa ating lalagyan. Like this one. Tada! And then after that, ipapatong lang natin yung first layer ng ating all-purpose cream and condensed milk until magpantay yung ibabaw niya. And that would be it. After that, we'll just repeat the next step. By the way, don't mind my voice. I'm still recuperating from Gandang Lola ng Parokya 2024 at Padre Burgos, Quezon. And of course, nagugas ako ng kamay dito pero hindi ko na lang pinakita sa video. We are repeating the process dito and we're doing layer 2. And kapag done na tayo, kailangan mo siyang ibagsak ng ibagsak to make sure that all the spaces in is occupied. So this one na chilled na siya for 5 hours. And medyo matigas na siya.
So, tikman natin yung ating graham cake. Pero with a twist. Lagyan natin ng hazelnut. This is perfect for merienda or breakfast. Serve natin to dahil gumaling na yung throat ko from hosting isang araw. So this is it. This is best paired with coffee. Let's try the rough cake. Tigas pa siya. Dig into it. Nice. This is budget meal tiramisu without the mascarpone. Ang sarap ng coffee kasi dinip natin sa coffee before natin i-assemble. Look at it.
For garnishing, you can add sifted cocoa powder. So I hope nag-enjoy kayo and try this. That will be all. Ta-ta!